Boom! What up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. My name is Frankie, and we have
Perry.
And today,
We have a challenge.
we have a challenge going on. It's a challenge. A lot of the challenges we see, and a lot of not the pranks. A lot of the challenges we see is a lot of challenges that have been going around YouTube. So today we're gonna try this nugget challenge, 50 nugget challenge.
50 nuggets.
There's a 100 nugget challenge going on too, but I don't think I can eat 100 nuggets. So we're gonna try 50 nuggets. We're gonna see if we can do it. We're gonna see if it's a pass or fail. If we fail, we're gonna try again. If we pass, we get it, and we're like the best set of people in the world. You know what I mean? So we're about to get into it. We got our sauces. You know what I mean? We got our nuggets ready. We gonna get right into it, and we're gonna do it. Perry, you ready?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. Hand sanitize first.
All right.
You know what I mean?
Right.
I don't know. You might have corona.
It's not funny.
I don't know. You know what I mean? So we're gonna hand sanitize, and we're gonna dump. I can't believe I'm doing this. I cannot believe we're gonna do this.
That's it?
That's it?
Oh, man.
That is it, you know what I mean? You saying, oh man, I don't even think you're gonna get all of this eat.
Now we have to open the sausage.
Yeah, so we're gonna open the sauce really quick so we can do this. So we gotta do this challenge in we gotta eat 50 nuggets in less than 10 minutes. So we're gonna set the timer. We're gonna set the timer and everything, and then we're gonna just go ham. You know what I mean? So we getting our sauces open. I think we got some napkins around here somewhere so you can wipe your hand off. You want a napkin?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna get the sauce open.
I'm gonna start with two and two.
2 and 2. All right,
Yeah,
cool.
I'm gonna start with 2 and 2 so I can dip.
All right. So once we get the sauce open, we gonna set the timer for 10 minutes, and then we gonna just bang, 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 bang. I hope you hungry. I don't know.
Babe, what was that bang, bang, bang?
That like everything I go down in a hole. Everything I go down in a hole.
All
All right,
right,
let's get into it. Let's get into it.
Before we start though, please subscribe, like, comment, and share.
And hit the notification bell so when we post a video, y'all will be the first to know, you know what I mean?
Yep.
All right, so we about to get into it. There's no hesitation because we don't hesitate around here, you know what I mean? Right
I'm
back?
nervous.
You nervous?
Yeah.
How your belly feel?
I don't know.
I feel like you might have to use a separate bathroom after this, Perry, because your stool them gonna be on another level, you know what I mean?
Let's start.
All right, cool.
Hold on.
So we're gonna start the timer. We have 50 nuggets. 50 nuggets, people, and we gonna. All right, pass on, you ready? Time go.
You have your sauce.
Huh?
You have your own sauce.
You're talking too much, God. These nuggets good.
Wait, what are you doing? I can't swallow fast enough.
What?
I can't swallow fast enough.
What?
Let's bring out.
What? Well, I don't know what he's saying. No. I don't fool them.
Good.
How much time we got?
8 minutes. We can do this. Stop doing that. Come on.
Let's have a finger out there.
Yeah, 7:40.
Let's come.
So I feel a big mouth, so.
Huh?
Yep.
But let's go.
I'm trying. Alright.
Yo, we gonna vomit up right now. We gonna throw up.
Stop making me laugh when you go. I'm gonna die on YouTube. What the hell? No. I might need it. Oh, what time is it? Okay. 6:18.
Let's go, babe. It's full.
Come on, baby, like this. Oh my God, my mouth. Stop using my sauce. You have more sauce than me. You make me laugh. You almost made me choke. Come on, man.
Alright, let's go. Come on. How much time?
4:38. What are you doing? Babe, I don't know.
Bro.
Stop playing with me.
Let's go, babe.
Make sure you chew what you have in your mouth first. I think I'm finishing. I should have got large. 320.
I got 2 more.
What if this was like for $1 million? What if this was like for $1 million?
I don't know, bro.
Your burp stink. I'm sorry. It's not.
Let's go!
Babe, I don't know if I can finish.
Delena!
We're at two. I think my bag is shutting down on me.
You know what? Time.
205. What was that?
I almost threw up. Babe, come on, man.
No, I don't think you did need some more.
Come on. Come, I eating 2 at a time. Come, let's go.
That's why you almost threw up.
Let's go, man. Help us, help us, girl.
My
Look,
stomach is not gonna like me.
look. Like 2 more. You got 3 more. Let's go. You're eating too slow.
Babe,
What
stop.
are you doing, bro?
Stop.
I'm gonna throw up.
My stomach don't like this.
I'm gonna throw up. I ain't vomit. Oh, fuck. Babe, let's go 2-2. Gang.
My stomach
On
is
gang. God, it's saying on gang. How much time we got left?
45 seconds.
Babe, come on, man. I have to. Bro, come on. Come on. Come on, babe. How much?
30 seconds. Oh my gosh.
How much?
5. Okay. I don't feel good.
Me neither. Alright?
Like my stomach hurt. I don't even eat.
Yeah, my everything hurt. My jaw hurt. Everything hurt, bro.
I don't even eat McDonald's. I don't know why I let you talk me into doing
I'm
this.
talking too loud. They can't even hear you on the camera.
I don't know why
Oh, it's so big. I can't talk.
he allowed me to do this.
Alright, guys.
We did it.
You did it? That's what I'm talking about. Even though you made me eat like most of it though, I'm not doing this on you again.
You see, you almost threw up.
Why you made me eat all?
I have a small mouth.
Alright guys. I think we completed the challenge. Even though I still got food in my mouth, we finished it. So this was a babe. I can't even. You got me talking with food in my mouth. You can't be serious. Let's get it. Out to baby. Tell the people bye bye.
Bye. We'll see you guys again.
Make sure y'all subscribe to.
Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, and share.
And look out for more videos to come. Once again, my name is Frankie.
And Perry.
That was a 50
chicken nugget challenge.
Less than 10 minutes.
You can't talk.
We out of here. threw up.
Babe, you almost threw up.